it on your lap?
What did you just say?
I mean, your laptop, officer. Why are we romance? You are not my type. Kick the door, Logic never kick you.
You're under arrest, sir.
Under arrest? Catch me if you can. Right after my mouthwash.
Mouthwash? What does that have to do with anything?
Everything. Your wife says you need it, especially when you call her by another woman's name. Ah!
You're so handsome. Want to be my boyfriend?
What? Your boyfriend? You're expired.
I'm only 29.
So why you look like my grandma? Your real age is hidden behind your makeup.
Unbelievable.